This podcast is sponsored by Talkspace. Last year, I went through many different life changes. I needed to take a pause and examine how I was feeling in the inside.
Being short-staffed, we all have to do a little bit more. That's why we switched to Dawn Professional. Its grease-cutting suds last 2 times longer, so we can wash double the pots in just one sink, which means we can focus more on our famous baked ziti.
Dawn Professional
We made online education better, smarter, and more personalized so you could go further in your aspiring field.
I decided to pursue medicine.
Flu symptoms with Dayquil Intense Flu, the daytime coughing, aching fever under your flu medicine. Undo your flu symptoms with Dayquil Intense Flu, the daytime coughing, aching fever under your flu medicine. Undo whatever you're looking for. Paramount Plus can take you there. Kingston.
Billy Dog. Bringing the Car Wash City's dog wash to Springfield and Taylorville. Nobody wants to be a dog. Download the Car Wash City app and get cleaner today. You'll have 24/7 access to
The conference championships are this weekend, and now you can trade on football legally nationwide on Kalshi. Right now, LA is trading at 42% to beat Seattle. A $100 trade pays out $228. On Kalshi, you are trading against peers in the live market, meaning there's no house, as the odds change to fly in and out of your position all game long. Trade the game, player props, and more. Download the Kalshi app and use code FAN to get $20 when you trade 100. KELSHI Kalshi. Trade on anything.
Vaporize sore throat pain with Vicks VapoCool drops. Vaporize sore throat pain with Vicks VapoCool drops. Whatever you're looking for, Paramount Plus can take you there. From Texas.
Find calm. The conference championships are this weekend,
and now you can trade on football
legally nationwide
on Kalshi. Right now, LA is trading at 42% to beat Seattle.
The conference championships are this weekend, and now you can trade on football legally nationwide on Kalshi. Right now, LA is trading at 42%.
Okay. In the wash.